Hello and welcome to Simple Web Browser version 2.0. This time I added a history and a favorites option. I did this by adding two new forms, a form 2 for the history and a form 3 for the favorites. And so it does work. I will show you at the end once I stop going over the code for them. So first I'll go over the history. I'll go to the design for form 2. And here's a combo box. A combo box could basically list texts or even images if you make a image combo box. And so it's programmed, let me go to here. It's programmed so that whenever whenever enter is pressed, it'll add whatever text is in URL 2 into the combo box in form 2. And so this clear button right here, well, it's pretty self-explanatory. It clears the history like you would in any other browser. And so when that button is clicked, combobox1.items.clear. And so that's pretty much it for the history tab. The favorites option revolves around the same concept. It's right here. So it uses a combo box. This label right here, select a favorite to remove, and the remove button. I hide them when it first opens because that's only if you click this button and it selects whatever to remove and then removes it. This add button, again self-explanatory, adds a favorite and it adds whatever is in the URL bar. And so it does work, and the old features, which were not even that complex in the 1.0 version, are still maintained. I will show you how it works when I press F5. Oops, I'm sorry, I already had it open. Google.com. Let's go to two separate websites, and then we'll see them in our history. Okay, so I went to Bing, Google, then Bing, and so I opened my history, and they're both there. And if I press this clear button, they're gone. So it works. And same thing for the favorite. Let's say I want to add Bing.com as a favorite. So I open favorites. It's open already. Wow, that's weird. Oh, because I was testing it before. Sorry, guys. And so let's say I add Bing.com as a favorite, and you'll just see it there. I already added Google in a favorite before. And so, yeah, so this web browser got some new features, and I'll eventually make a 3.0 version with maybe a menu option or multiple tabs. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty nice project for myself, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.